finding my red dot. Number 39. What fraction of 3 hours is 120 minutes? A half, a third, fractions. So we are going to, there are two ways of doing this. We know, we are familiar with an hour in a circle, aren't we? Because we have clocks, and it takes a whole hour for the clock, for the big hand to go round. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. How many minutes in an hour? 60. That's right, 60, 60, 60. So that's your 3 hours. So that's 180 minutes. And what fraction of that is 120, 60, 120? So it is 2 out of the 3. Or if you prefer, you can say what fraction of 3 hours is 120 minutes. You've got 120 minutes. And how many in 3 hours? 180, because we just did that, didn't we? So it's 60 plus 60 is 120 plus 60 is 180. And now we have to simplify it. So we divide the top and the bottom. The numerator is the top, and the denominator, because demons come from down below. So we've divided top and bottom by 10. And then what will go into both of these? 6. 6 goes into that twice. 6 goes into that 3 times. So the answer is still 2/3. It's always a relief, isn't it? And that's why it's always a good idea to have different methods of doing things, so that if you have time to check, always use your favourite method, use it once and move on. But when you come back to it, check if you can with a different method, and hopefully they'll both come up with the same answers. If you've got 2 different answers, you know that one of them is wrong, not necessarily the first one.